everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you are a content creator, a student, a researcher, or a professional in any field, if you have ever felt limited by AI generated text, whether it's for writing articles, creating stories, or doing research, then today's video will be a game changer for you. AI is an amazing tool, but sometimes the text it generates can be flagged by detection system, which means you might not be able to use it the way you want. Maybe you need to pass off AI generated content as your own, or simply avoid detection tools that flag your work as not being human. Well, I have found a solution that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. Stick around as I show you an incredible tool that allows you to take any AI written text, humanize it, and make it completely undetectable, even by the most advanced AI detection systems out there. I am going to break it down step by step so you can start using it right away. So let me introduce you to this powerful tool. It's designed especially for people who need to work with AI generated text but want it to look like it was written by a human. Whether you are writing blog posts, academic papers, product descriptions, or even novels, these tools make sure that your AI generated content passes the human test. What's even more impressive is that this tool not only modifies your text to make it appears more natural, but it also comes with an AI detector. This detector compares your text with over 10 different AI models, giving you an extremely high level of accuracy. So not only can you hide the fact that your content is AI generated, but you can also double check that it's undetectable by multiple systems. Alright, now let's walk through how you can start using this tool. To begin, all you have to do is click the link in the description below, which will take you directly to the website. Once you are on the home page, you'll want to navigate to the tools section. There you'll see an option called AI Bypass. That's the one where we are going to use today. Next, you'll need to log in. You can either sign up using your Google account or create a new account with your email and password. Once you are in, you'll land on your workspace. This is where all the magic happens, and it's super user friendly. In your workspace, you'll notice three main sections on the left: AI Bypass, AI Detector, and History. I am going to go through each of these so you can make the most of this tool. Let's start with the AI Bypass section, which is the core feature of this tool. This is where you'll transform any AI written content into something that looks and sounds like it was created by a human. This process is incredibly simple. All you have to do is paste your AI generated text into the input box. Then at the top, you'll see three different modes to choose from, depending on how much modification you need. Fast mode, this is a quick option. It will adjust your text to sound more natural and human. Bypassing basic AI detectors, it's great if you are working on something simple and need a fast solution. Balanced mode. This takes a bit more time, but it gives you a more even human-like transformation. It's perfect if you are dealing with more sophisticated AI detectors. Your text will sound more natural and organic with a balanced mix of human-like phrasing and style. Ultra Enhanced mode. This is where the tool truly shines. If you need your text to pass through even the most advanced AI detection tools, Ultra Enhanced is the way to go. This mode uses the most powerful AI model available, and it's updated regularly to stay ahead of the curve. If you are dealing with text that need to precast AI detector, this is your go-to. Once you select your mode, just hit the Humanize button and the tool will work its magic. Now let's take this tool for a real-world test. I am going to walk you through a few examples to show you how powerful it is. First, let me write a human-generated paragraph. I'll copy and paste it into the AI detector section just to show you what happens. As you can see, the detector checks the text and says, no AI detected. It passes with flying colors. Next, let's test an AI-generated article. I am going to grab a paragraph from an article written by an AI, paste it into the AI detector, and unexpected, the tool immediately flagged it as AI generated. Now I'll copy the exact same paragraph, head over to the AI Bypass section and paste it in. After selecting Balanced mode, I'll click Humanize. In less than 10 seconds, the text is completely transformed into something that sounds like it was written by a human. Let's head back to the AI detector and test it again. And guess what? It now passes the test, showing no AI detection, but I am not stopping there. Let's take this a step further and test the new version of the text with some other popular AI detectors tools like GPT-0, CopyLeaks, etc. They, and you can see it confirmed that this text is now undetectable as AI generated. So you can try it. Let's break down the two available plans. The basic plan offers up to 10,000 words per month. This is a good option for light users or those just starting out. The Pro plan gives you 50,000 words per month, which is 5 times more than the basic plan. It's perfect for power users, businesses, or anyone who needs to process a lot of content. Both plans give you unlimited access to the AI detectors, but the Ultra Enhanced mode is only available for Pro users. So, if you are serious about bypassing the toughest detection system, the Pro plan is worth considering. As someone who frequently works with AI generated text, I confidentially say that the tool is head and shoulder above the competition. Whether you are a writer, student, a marketer, or anyone who needs to use AI for content creation, this tool is a must have. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.